Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pro Wolf Trader. You're watching live stream. Today is 20th January 2025. It's Donald Trump Inauguration Day. The inauguration is gonna happen exactly 1 hour before New York Open. So I hope you guys buckle up and be prepared for whatever is coming. I mostly advise to people not to trade today because there is bank holiday in USD. The market will be open, but there is a holiday, so we don't know how the market is gonna react. So it's advised not to trade. If you're somebody trading Bitcoin, also advised be really careful. Just like today in the morning and before Tokyo session, during Sydney session, as you saw, it was dropping, and I came live and I basically live streamed and I left it running. And I scalped this drop and I took profit, and as soon as it started pumping, I just waited. I did not enter a buy because I wasn't even sure what the hell was happening because Donald Trump was making a speech. I was thinking, okay, maybe this is a rejection, but as for now, it seems like this is a 4-hour candle, and as soon as this 4-hour candle finishes, Donald Trump inauguration will begin. So this is the final 4-hour candle that will either break above all-time high or do a rejection, and there is a 80 to 90% chance that it will break all-time high because it already pushed up, but 10% to 20% chances the possible rejection before the pump. I hope everybody is doing fine because today is gonna be a really tough day. Let's move on to gold. As I was during my stream in the Tokyo session, I said that either it's gonna go up from here, it's gonna go below this, and it went exactly as I said. I was bullish. I said no, don't short it. Short when it goes above 2705, and I scalped a buy on gold, but I wasn't sure about this signal, so I didn't give it to anybody. But because there was a high, because everything was dropping, so I just didn't bother to give the signal. And majority of the people were sleeping. Only few guys were awake in Tokyo, so it doesn't matter. And plus, it was bank holiday and Monday, and so much is happening today that I'm being really careful while giving gold signal. And the only signal which I gave is after determining the exact scalp direction it is heading towards. Let's talk about what's happening today. But before that, please like and subscribe the channel and share the video and hit the bell notification. As you can clearly see, this is our previous candle, last Friday candle, and last Friday we saw gold make touch around 2780, and after that we saw a possible rejection within that zone. Now, and at the end of the New York session, it just dropped down completely. And now at today, the Tokyo session, Tokyo started with a small fall, and then near key resistance area. This is also previous last Friday Tokyo low. So this is why I say market sessions are really important. This area 2689, this was last visited on Thursday. This was Thursday low. So I say that when a market, let's just say we are in a Tokyo session, so it's either broke a resistance or support, always see that the previous day or the day before that where was the last Tokyo resistance or support. If it had broken it, then of course it's gonna free fall. But Thursday Tokyo session low was a really strong support zone. It just bounced back up straight into Friday's end session around 2713, and now it's just progressing towards upwards. But I'm still I'm in a short. I took some scalps over here. I'm in a short because as of now I'm following Elite Wave. Those of you who know why I use this, they possibly know that this is the completion of third wave. If this is the fourth wave, then of course it will drop massively over here around this area. So I'm being really cautious because today is after all Donald Trump inauguration and my eyes are on Bitcoin is right now touching at previous all-time high, which is around 108k. I'm waiting for a rejection, but I don't know if we will get that rejection or not. But I'm pretty much all we can do is wait. Market doesn't care about the sentiment of the people. Market will do what market does. Fuck with your heads and run away. If you have any questions, you can ask me up straight. I'm sick actually. I have fever, but I wasn't like in a position to stream. But I'm streaming anyways because today is inauguration after all. So if I don't talk that much, please cooperate. So possibly around this zone, we will have clear either rejection or break above. There more because Donald Trump was all about Bitcoin, so possibly yes, a breakout. Everybody will be buying. But if you are too much optimistic, you might get punished just like in today's Tokyo session when it started dumping. So you have to be really careful. All I can say is do whatever you seem necessary, but with a stop loss, of course, no matter small or big. But it should be precise and you should not change it once you put it. If you cannot learn to take a loss, you cannot learn to take a profit. If you keep on chasing your loss, you will blow up your account. So be really careful. Manage your position, risk management, and take partial profits. That's the way. I'm just waiting for a possible pullback around this zone 105. If we see a further drop below 105, then I will enter a sell. Otherwise, I will do nothing because it's give or take. Either it's gonna break all time high I was gonna show a rejection, and it looks like a trap to me. If you ask any seller, he will say, okay, sell it. But it looks like a sell trap. Buy trap, sorry. You buy it. Oh, sorry, sell trap. What the hell am I saying? I was right in the first time. These are all previous all-time high. If Bitcoin is able to reject these zones, then we might see. But let's come back to gold. Gold monthly candle, as I said, that the first 15 months of the day are traded differently, and the last 15 months are traded in a different manner. Now, keeping up with this chart, all I can say is that gold is headed up but is headed down at the same time. We see a higher high, higher low, now higher high, but I have a short position open. I know that is because of most likely a sell area. The next 4 hour candle is going to open somewhere around here and will start by possibly dropping gold prices and making a pullback, a pin bar. Then progressively the next 4 hour will started moving towards 2730. As soon as it starts coming 27, 34, 35, the idea of a sideways range will be existential. It's gonna exist. That's how things are now. I am really tired actually, and I'm sick, but I'm trying. So if I'm low energy, so bear with me, because even I don't know if I can trade during inauguration or not. I'm trying to, but I need my mind 100% ready. This fever is putting me in a position where I'm getting a lot of sleepy and headache. But still, I'm trying to survive today in the market. Although I should be resting, but we'll try. Gold is dropping now. Guys in the premium groups, please check your inboxes. Trade signals have been forwarded. Plus, there's been a delay. The platform, I said that it will be ready on the weekend, where I will provide the signals and further updates regarding community, signal groups, packages, and whatsoever. That thing is under development, so it's gonna take more time, unfortunately. But it will be available soon. This time I don't give any deadlines, but sure, I'm gonna say one thing: as soon as it's ready, I'll inform you guys. A huge correction is expected to be followed on Bitcoin chart. I'm on a short on. This was my short. I know not enough people are watching, but it's alright. I'm not gonna do that again. Natural gas, yeah, is getting in my buy zone again. Euro USD is also getting in my buy zone. It's in my buy zone, baby. Euro JPY. Leave this. I almost slept. I almost slept. Sorry about that. Yeah. And let's go on Bitcoin to see exactly what is happening. And we are over here exactly in an all-time high on BTC. I expect it to drop till here, till this zone. Let's see how it works. This is a short scalp. Anybody can take around this zone. TP area is around this zone. TP area, I don't know where it should be, but it should be around demand zone, near the demand zone. Ya Allah. It looks like gold is preparing to pump. I mean, till here, till this 27.33. I don't know why it's happening, but